And you're live. Returning. Today's shorter stream. We will today's runtime will be about 30 minutes. We will short recap the road so far to be able to track it back. Also, stream is ongoing some adjustments. So yeah, it's not in ideal state, but we'll get there. Okay, where we were. Last time we were working, if my modern fails me, let's check. We did a lot of things in web. We finished actions, alt, filters, forms, and we started some widgets. Also, we added compliance for open source and everything. So yeah, we'll get there. And also, hi everyone. Be fair. Feel free to introduce yourself if you're returning. If you're not returning users, there are rules. 10-minute wait until you can chat after follow. It's okay. Today we will do not big work. Will be not a lot, but we will do our best. So today I will extend it to the 35 minutes. Have an ideal stream with short, decent work. So rough 30, 35 minutes max. It's okay. Let's go. Let's do the thing. Okay. We were in active forms last time. I remember on server we had found a lot of things there to work on. So yeah, this is gonna be an interesting thing. So let's dive in. Right. What do we have here? Let's check server. In framework we will see how many things to do. But I believe there's a lot because the web is biggest part and boy oh boy. This one will be on its own worth a lot of work. Ooh, there are also views. A lot of wrong components. Oh, wonderful. We will go delete all of it for now. Let's start with that. Before we do that, let's verify the original one. Flex widget. Interesting. So, this is very interesting and sad at the same time, but we'll see what's like. Okay,
Our ancestors fought for freedom. We choose to inherit their honor.
Say base view, list view.
Raising our weapons.
I'm just curious where exactly it is.
We follow the flame of their tradition.
Definitely that is not where it belongs.
To live
Okay,
long enough
let's include
to see our enemies
directory
die.
vendor.
Skelton. Now.
And we'll figure it out. Where it was used. Maybe it was when we create superset package initially. Some leftovers. It's highly possible it's true. So since it's something artificial, first we're gonna get rid of everything. Fresh page, fresh start. We'll add in views. Like widget. Like it was intended. So let's reformat the damn thing. It's like some kind of test code. Interesting. I'm more curious about this. AutoFL font on. Interesting. So it's activating some legacy stuff. Maybe we're gonna get rid of it. Let's add to do. Check. Does we need? And we also add deprecated. Just, that would be fair enough. Okay, let's move on. That would be with views pages. That's our directory. Pages, more precisely. Sorry, my bad. Spelled. Okay. Let's copy them over. And let's first add namespaces. Strict types. Is there multiple classes in found? No. Another one. Legacy code. In many cases they use multiple classes in one place, so we need to isolate them if there is. Some legacy styling. We will figure out a better way how to do things. So it's pagination, I guess that is. We'll fix that. Okay, we need add namespace, PSR-4, the classic types for future formatting, rename legacy attributes, like these with underlines. Okay, we should use, yeah, this should work. Technically like this, web widgets under folder pages. And we cannot declare strict types. Let's format the file. I think we will add to the all files declaration and namespace, and then we can figure it out everything else. Interesting that they added styling directly here. Like that they had reasons for their own. Not like I'm complaining, it just... oh, hard to say. Okay. Sorry. Driven is in the background. Might be slightly noisy. That's how it is. Oh. Okay, we have collision. match. Mm-hmm. Property reference. Interesting. I see they reference this one. Okay, we can name it differently. Also, we need later figure out compliance, since due to license requirements. In theory, this should work now, because it was dog block reference. Yeah, because of this. Okay, let's see if there's anything else missing and fix it up gradually, one by one, and everywhere. We will finish this, then we can sit down and run through everything is done so far. It's gonna be interesting. Okay, let's add imports. Formatting is complete. Nice. Not good. They're not gonna work. Okay. Interesting. Okay, let's add that. Let's move that. And move on from there on. Also, we should revisit old places, especially core, because it was done faster without second thought and we missed out maybe some parts. I believe there was issues. I will not deny that. There is high possibility of that. Okay, let's go through. Some imports missing, formatting is off. Small fixes here and there and it will be fairly decent shape. Okay. We'll think about that. It's used globally. Yeah, because I don't have maybe yet implementation. Hard to say where exactly, but we will figure it out. Okay. Let's add all files. Like this. Hotkeys is the king. You'll need to learn your editor. Possible. Fast quality check. Oh, it doesn't have any quarrels. Okay, that's good. That would be with pages. Okay, let's move on to other parts. We need to go back to the base and it would be not Yii base, not quite base, but we need Yii initial instance, Yii base that are renamed to Yii, and I got rid of autoload stuff that was old. Also, I should deprecate the finds maybe. We'll see. Okay, there are aliases and things that kinda bothers me. So let's rename the legacy namings in core. But I believe imports will not gonna be needed for us anymore. Include pods also I think will be gone maybe. Not really sure, but okay, that's internal app. That is usually globally available. Logger. Say logger, yes. Yeah, let's rename it. Let's format it like normal people. Okay, let's leave it there at least for now. Technically, that would be new major version. We will call it now 1200. Also add composer version. Would be new version. We had 130, yes. 2 for us it will be 0. Yeah, 120. Okay, that would bump version. Okay, let's do first review for core class and go from there on. I believe it should be in fairly decent state since it was fixed and there were left comments. To bypass and fix parts with import that will be removed fully and create component that is used almost goddamn everywhere. Because we don't have full source code, it doesn't cover everything. And technically import, the problem it's used everywhere. It's a big thing that I need to think about. Technically I should just remove it. For now, we will not touch fully it. We'll leave it out. Also set path aliases should be deprecated. I think many things will be removed. Okay, we have some formatting to do. Hey, I missed out them. Well, nobody's perfect, I guess. There's comment. Yeah, get component. We go through up and get component. Okay, for small thing. That should be done like this. Format. Yeah, Xroad autos disabled. So technically that would be core implementation. But import should be gone. Typo. Yeah. Oof, what I did just now. Bro. What the hell I'm doing? Button. Wrong button. Shit. Wrong button. Yeah. New exception. Deprecated. Going to PSR-4. Yeah. This should do the thing. Because that way we'll ensure our safety here. Avoid things and issues. Everyone else who popped up or came in just to check on. We're still fighting off. We're a little bit to turn back to the base class of Yii. Technically, there is Yii extension framework original. We explore a bit and show you, explain. You see, there is Yii, Yii-Lite, but Yii-Lite is combination of multiple things in one place. Technically, we're not gonna do. So we are interested in Yeet, Yeet, Yii, but they all extend Yii base eventually. If you would look around, you would see that they all doing that thing. And see, extends Yii, and then goes to the Yii base. So I decided to use instead Yii base, and I named it to the Yii. Now everything migrated in one place, like here. And I removed many things, also a lot of things to remove more, because there are some difference here and there. Nothing special, I would say, but yeah, it is a thing. Yeah, that's thing. So yeah, there's comments for future. Migrate to NV or maybe leave them, or maybe make it use also environment variables. If you want, you can use them. If not, you can call back maybe to define. I need to think. I think it would be reasonable for offering such option for users. So, okay, let's travel back. Let's go through what was done so far. We isolated exceptions that were extended here, but they were not fully extracted, as you can see. That's a mistake from my part. But C exception was only extended exception, so I would not call that on something special. So technically we can fix it like this and move on with the life. It would still work. C HTTP exception, little bit more. The message thing. Later we're gonna need to fix it up properly. Like this. It's better. It's not extending anymore. Extend C exception. Well. Okay. That should work. And technically exceptions are done fully now. And C application. Yeah, there was issue with C event. I think C event was not migrated yet. You can see it's reference CC component. C event structure. Yeah, multiple classes like here, you see? Actually, nasty piece of thing. C application. So we're gonna need to revisit it a bit more and fix it up. It's not ideal, but yeah. So, okay. Let's fix some formatting along the way. Most likely I missed out on things. The ideas that I had in the past, they're maybe not bad. They had reasons, I would say. Are they bad? Great, I don't know. Yeah, to do update. Because it was not complete. Because web was almost complete, but the problem was many parts were referenced and were referencing web in many cases. So technically we should finish web and then return back. Then we can go to the validators, utilities, translations, logging. Interfaces were migrated all. Initially interfaces were living something like this. Where was it? I think it was in base here. Yeah, here. They are not namespace, but they are imported and remapped artificially. Kinda messy. And they use SPL autoload. Does it work? Yes. Is it maintainable? No. But I would say, honestly. So yeah, that's that. So let's go back to the web. So we need later to finish. Web caching was fully done. Technically we should create a progress. Collections was also done. As much I remember. They should be complete fully. Let's exclude it for now. Make robot duplicate seeing. reference, otherwise PHP Storm will parse it and we'll see it. Kind of misleading, I guess. So okay, let's migrate a few more things in widgets and go from there on. Maybe we can do things differently. So the idea is that we need technically also get rid of Composer Yii version that is included later on and properly migrate in PSR-4. That is the thing that we are targeting. So it's not easy, as you know, but these things takes time. Nobody said it's gonna be easy. So yeah, okay, let's go back. Let's migrate some parts a bit more in the web. Okay, we get capture I think is deprecated, but I don't really worry about that. See active form. Some classes seems to be started to migrate. Maybe we can download. What is it? Okay, there are some classes present. Okay, we can technically, at first we will paste not widgets but main web. Web, no, that's widgets. Yeah, okay, those are widgets. Okay, then let's add. We have active form done, and we have CC widget. CV widget, not C autocomplete. Yeah, let's add autocomplete then, and work from there. One thing at a step. Oh, deprecated. Nice. But okay, we will leave it because we might even actually need a damn thing at some point. And that would be a legit reason. We might need this like that. Okay, let's copy namespace. I don't want to write it manually each time. We will get rid of this. Okay. Like that. And we will get rid of that. Input widget. Yeah, they have many widgets in use. It's kind of complicated, I guess. Oh boy. Okay. Let's copy all, exclude C widget. C autocomplete, also excluded. And let's shoot. Yeah, can't do that. Wrong place, paste. This should do properly. So yeah, that's preparation. We can just add namespace and definitions for this as a starter. It's very hard to understand everything otherwise, because we need to have context. Problem, without proper web we can't finish everything. Let's tie it together. Also purifier is implemented. Maybe you can use a newer version of purifier and stuff. Good question, good question. I don't know. We'll see. Now let's do some crazy stuff, add everything, and then reformat them. Okay. Oh damn. We have some ugly imports also. Okay, there should be. Later we will need add them to many classes because compliance. license. Okay, now it's formatted. Yeah, the namespace for now. Extremely rough around the edges. It's not ideal, but I think that should do it. What we can do is technically work on some better solutions later. We can technically create add-in to-do list. Let's go to to-do. Let's prepare for next stream. Yeah, that's... We will create file. Next stream. Do md. Yeah, we can copy, and let's preview it in right side. Let's like this. Close the side. Things to do on next stream. Zoom. Working with widgets inside web. Technically, we can add next thing. Maybe we can look up how that. Okay, they add it like this. First, second one, and that will be like this. Zoom later. Working with base. Because some parts are tied, are inside that. So yeah, that would be that thing. Utilities. Yeah, it's not done. We can maybe add support. Let me add like this. Part is done. Exceptions / done. We can add maybe checkbox or something. Let me go to the browser. Checkbox. Checkbox. Symbol. Yes, we need checkbox. Yeah, this should work. Baby, that's gonna be beautiful. Done. Okay, let's look for more. X symbol. We can maybe copy this. X symbol red. Yeah, this should be good enough for us. Let's add legend. And add both. Icons. Marks. For usage. So yeah, let's write things down. We will extend our stream a bit, slightly more. And let's write down what is done. Exceptions done. Maybe we should better folder. Exceptions done. And now let's write down parts. Base. Application. components done. We will add like these things. No, we don't need link. And it will be beautiful. See application. Partially done. Yeah, typo. Let's fix it up partially. My bad. Slash. Revisit. When web is finished. Do. Okay. I think it looks very promising for now. Do revisit when web is finished. Exclamation mark. Exclamation. Shit, I can't write it. Exclamation. Shit, my bad. Yeah, this should work for us. Like this. Partially done. So we can make it like this. Done. Let's move on to the next thing. Days. See behavior. I think see behavior was done. But maybe some parts you can see legacy namings are not done. We cannot touch global task. Check for legacy. We see naming for naming inside classes. Classes. Yes, like this. Okay, how it looks. Check this name inside classes. Partially done. Partially done. Partially done. Where it's done mainly, I could say it's mainly done in database. Database. And amend them. Okay. Database. We can add like this. Database. Done. I think database was done. Those sections. Maybe we can add all parts of database as duplicate view, and I will readjust it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, and then we have 4 underneath it. We need one more. Okay, like this. Okay. 4. That's active. Exceptions should be done, I think. Yes, it is done. Beautiful. Exceptions. Relationships was also added. Memory and fulfillment, it should be fine, I believe. Seamless. We will check in a moment and verify it's actually true or it's not. close other, and let's check it one more time in database. Active. Let's check use. Use is fine, but we need to check this. We can do better. We can search for like this. Design directory. No, that's referenceable. So it is done. Schemas, relationships, exceptions, active, and base implementation. User. Okay, that would be database. Extreme, but technically maybe we should add progress. MD. Yeah, maybe we can move to progress. We'll leave it as empty for now. Okay, like this, and let's resume now base. Base slash exceptions done. We need to get rid of that. Change me. Okay, that will go look promising. So yeah, let's write it down. Then we will know our progress at current state. Okay, behavior. Let's start one. Okay. Okay, that's done. It's partially done. Okay, that should be it. This is an HTC component. Okay. We'll copy class names. And then we will know. See a model. Yeah, there are some. And back. Hmm. Quite a few. Yeah, there they are. Behavior also. Well, it's not many, but fortunately there are quite few. So yeah. Okay, these are the ones we need. And add them like this. No, we're not using Jira, but technically we should, I think. Consider at least. Yeah, not done. Okay. Yeah. So this should at least be clear. Progress, current state with these. The catching will be better. Can we do something like this, maybe instead? And move it underneath it in multiple levels. Yeah, we can. Nice. Okay. Then it's easier. Then we can do better formatting and reuse some parts even. Nice. Okay. And we can maybe then also move them like this. No, then we can exclude this and make it very good. Sorry, I'm not great yet with MD files, but I'm improving. I'm literally improving. Let me format it. Beautiful. Okay. Now, this catching. Catching. Damn, I got it right. Catching. Yeah, I feel like a fool. But at least I'm trying. Okay, catching. One more time. Catching. And then underneath everything else. Dependencies. Dependencies. Yeah, finally I wrote it right. What's with them? Legacy. Let's just search. Browse other and let's search in directory. Okay, we're over the time. White. Okay, fine. Let's finish with catch and then we're done with this today. Stupid to interrupt work in middle. So the problem in catching is CDB and catch dependencies are using legacy naming. It's not that bad. Those are few clauses only. Some other are fixed. So, okay, we can write not done. Not done. It's not ideal, but it is what it is, I guess. Life is complicated. Maybe we can do it better. with web. Can maybe do it like this and create maybe their folders. With catch we done. Let's add here for web small information like here we did web, and then we can add those folders and then we are done for the day. Actions out, filters, form, helpers, widgets, widgets. Yes, get like this. We can mark it partially done. And we will add just here to do. Not ideal, but this should work. Better have some information than none. And web. Maybe we can change up a bit things and do things better way. I think for now it will be enough, and on next stream we will finally finalize this thing, and then we will resume migration efforts and everything else. We need to have some report, otherwise we're getting lost at this point. We're going in circles, so it's not great. So okay, let's roll the intro and see you next time. Have a great evening. Bye for now.